Hey guys, we're Molly and Toby, aka Movie Adventures. Toby, what are we doing?
Well, we're going after those must-try Antiguan foods. So we've got a little selection here to try, and we'll tell you about some others that we found on our way. But bear in mind, this isn't a restaurant review. You can go to Teresa from Maidenhead on TripAdvisor for that. We are looking for those local delicacies that you can't find anywhere else. So we went looking around the local market in the capital St. John's on Saturday morning for 3 different fruit. We went after the black pineapple, the sorrel, and the sugar apple. So let's start with the pineapple. We've already eaten the pineapple. Here's what it looks like. They are super sweet. None of the harsh acidity of
Or the
ones.
sharp aftertaste.
Yeah. And that, I don't know whether you get the weird tongue. My tongue expands and hurts after too much pineapple. No. Didn't get any of that with the black pineapple anyway.
One of the first things that we were recommended to try was sorrel.
And here it is. We got one right here.
And it looks
Look at that. Ooh.
absolutely terrifying.
Let's dig in and see what it tastes like. Cheers. It's bitter, very
Sharp.
sour, yeah, but not horrible.
Quite refreshing.
Making the sorrel juice required a shed ton of sorrel. You mix it in with, you boil it up with water, mix in some sugar, some cinnamon,
More
some
sugar.
star anise, and I think there could have been nutmeg. You can add a few different things in there. I'll post a recipe, not mine, but definitely a better recipe than I could have come up with, below in the description if you want to try it out. But we've got it here to taste test now. So, Molly, here you go.
You also put orange juice in.
Oh, there was orange juice in there as well, yeah. So as you can see, Molly has the filtered version. It's pretty
Mostly filtered.
mostly filtered, and I have the with bits version. And here we go. Cheers.
It tastes like a virgin cocktail.
Yeah,
Not the plain.
as in you want some rum.
No. So, the next fruit that we found in the market in St. John was the sugar apple.
Here it is. What on earth is that?
It looks like a hop.
It does look like a hop, actually. Yeah. Sort of apple shape, but with a
Squidgy bits on the outside.
yeah, it goes right. They said they weren't ready in the market and to let them go kind of squidgy. So we have done that, and now we are dying to dig into these. We got a knife. I think we'll start there and see. Let's cut this in half. Oh, it's squidged everywhere. Do you want to do the honours?
So this immediately, just drop some on the floor, immediately reminds me of crab meat.
Look at
What
that.
do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. There's some fleshy. It's not at all like an apple that you'd get anywhere else. Let me just
Oh my gosh, it
open
smells
that
good.
up. It's quite moist looking. Terrible word.
You're not allowed to eat the pips.
But let's try some of these little fleshy bits and see what that tastes like. I mean, it lives up to its name. It is sweet, it is sugary.
Slippery.
It's quite tasty. How on earth would you compare this to something else? I'm not sure I could. It's
The texture's almost like a really soft meat.
Yeah, if that makes sense, mixed with a grainy panna cotta.
Yes.
So that's been our quick taste tour of Antigua and the local delicacies and produce that we've found.
Let us know in the comments below if you have tried anything that we have today, or if we've missed anything that we have to try before we leave.
Like and subscribe below, guys, and come and escape with us.
I think the line about Teresa from Maidenhead was
Actually making the sorrel. So actually making the sorrel juice required